Welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn about the best time of day to trade Forex. Right, what time of the day are TV ratings highest? If you said during prime time, then you would be correct. If you ask us what does this have to do with trading sessions? Well, just like TV ratings, also known as liquidity, the trading market are at the highest when there are more people participating in the markets. Logically, you would think that this happens during the overlap between the two sessions. If you thought that way, you would only be half right. Let's discuss some of the characteristics of the two overlap sessions to see why. Tokyo-London overlap. Liquidity during this session is pretty thin for a few reasons. Typically, there isn't as much movement during the Asian session, so once the afternoon hits, it's pretty much a snooze fest. With European traders just starting to get into their offices, trading can be boring as liquidity dries up. This would be an ideal time to take a look for potential traders to take for the London and New York sessions. London-New York overlap. According to the latest data from X-Liquidity in analytics service for the Forex market, liquidity is at an optimum level around 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. London time, 10 a.m. New York time. This is the busiest time of the day as traders from the two largest financial centers, London and New York, begin during it out. It is during this period where we can see some big moves, especially when news reports from the US and Canada are released. The markets can also be hit by late news coming out of Europe. If any trends were established during the European session, we could see the trend continue as US traders decide to jump in and establish their positions after reading up what happened earlier in the day. You should watch out though at the end of the session as some European traders may be closing their positions, which would lead to some choppy moves right before lunchtime in the US. Hope this video was informative. Let's catch up in the next video with more content. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.